Here, open this. Watch the floorboards and water come in. It's actually not as deep as it was. Well, we're not at the deep. Oh, this is deep. Well, let's see how it has been like 2. When's the break? Back to the puddle. Look back, look at your floorboard. Come on, boys. We're good. Oh, that's a big rock. Look how that. Remember this one back east? Oh, you're right. This was dry. Mate, was this the deep spot? No, you went straight here. Yeah, okay. I just don't want to hit rock. There's rocks there. We're thinking about what to do here.
Steering down the banks of Mexico. If they even notice, finally left in Valley and Warren. Oh, and he had nothing left to lose. It's the day engine has to be just for
Well, I don't remember this one. I think it was deeper last time. The bridge? Oh, the bridge is not to the water. Okay, ready to get wet? Fucking wet. Back with your feet. Whoa. That feels deeper than last time. Was that deeper than last time? No, you called the right. It's shorter on the tail on the right. Oh yeah, it's definitely deeper on the left. Oh yeah. Oh fuck. That's okay. That's okay.
Distracted driving.
Yeah. Yeah, this one you were on. We got a little tilted here, didn't we? Yeah, we did. Dude, it's flowing. Oh, yeah. Way down. Wait, yeah, we'll go left. Oh no!